Empowering educators. It's an international boot camp teaching the concept of AI, Python, and robotics. On the day 10th, we learned about the robotics features. So we created a Python-powered self-driving car. So the car can access the left turn, right turn, U-turn, all these features through the camera. So for this one, we are using a device. We call it as the Quarky. This is the companion on today's journey. And on the right hand side, I have shown some features of the Quarky. It can be attached through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. So today I'm going to attach with the Bluetooth and give some commands, and my Quarky is working accordingly. So let us move to the PictoBlox and see how it works. Okay, I am in a PictoBlox. So first click on the board and select the board. I am working with a Quarky. Now connect to the port. I'll say Bluetooth port. Now for this one, PictoBlox link is installed, which I have already installed, and it is running in the background. So the device name is this. I'll just say connect. So it is connected to my Quarky device. Go to editor. Now you can see a statement Quarky is equal to Quarky function. So let us start with the statement. I'm using a variable RC equal to recognition cards. I'm taking this class so that all the functions they are available in a variable or the object RC. So I'm accessing all the functions through RC. Now RC dot enable box, RC dot set threshold. It should be, I can use either 0.5 or 0.6. Now I'm working with a forever loop, so while true. It should analyze the camera, so analyze camera. I'm using a variable sign is equal to RC. I want to, whatever the symbol it analyze, it should display it on the screen. So class name. Now the sprite should display on the screen about the sign which is detected. So sign plus detected. So whatever I am showing will appear on the screen. So I am sure that it is assessed by the camera. Now if rc.count is greater than 0, if it is assessing more than 1, more than 0, there are further statement. If go in the sign, if go in sign, so Quarky dot runtime out, runtime robot. Now the first value is the direction, it moves forward, and the second one is the speed, let us say 60, and the third one is the time, let us say 0.5. So I use it for other 3 symbols. So I just copy paste it 3 times. Okay, if, let us change this one, turn left. So it moved to the left direction. I'll use, let us say 40. You can change the speed accordingly. Now if it is turn right, so this is in the right direction. I use 40 here again. And the last one I'm taking, if it is U-turn. So it actually moves backward. Let us say keep it as 60 and the time is 0.5. And this is all about the program. Now let us run the program. Okay, I missed one statement, and that is to turn on the video. And it should be, the parameter should be on flipped. Okay, let us run this program. Okay, this is my Quarky device. You can see it is moving forward. It is moving backward. Turn to the left. And turn to the right. How do you like this project? I like it very much. You can also try. Have a nice day. Thank you so much and namaskar.